Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. My name is Christiaan and as always, it is a pleasure seeing all of your happy faces. I hope you've had a wonderful day, and let's dive into this. So what we're going to be looking at today is how I edited one of my photos, and I just want to walk you through it for a bit. This particular photo that I took it in the botanical gardens in Johannesburg. It was a lovely warm day. The sky, however, was extremely blue, no clouds in the sky, so for photography that actually makes a boring photo. But nevertheless, snapped this little photo of this wonderful tree, and the look that I was trying to go for here is the overexposed look in the highlights, because I really like this tree. The composition was awesome. The tree had this very like old vintage look to it, with the bark starting to crack and peel off in certain spots. So I thought I just wanted to accentuate that a bit more through the black and white. So as you can see, I just quickly applied the quick corrections to it in camera raw. So in all honesty, I wanted to go for the overexposed look in this particular photo, because I feel like you can bring a lot of detail out in the shadows in the tree that will just add to the worn down feel that this tree gave me. And it was in the summer, correction, it was in the winter, so you can see that there's not a lot of leaves on the tree. The tree was all the leaves had fallen off, so I think the black and white would actually go better with it, just showing that in this particular season the died out effect, if I can put it like that. Not that it's died out, I mean it's pretty much still alive. But yeah, I just love the feeling that this overexposed black and white gives you. It highlights the tree so nicely for me. And this is honestly something, like, even if I have to say so myself, this is honestly something that I would hang on my wall. So yeah, and with that, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the editing and the background music. I'll see you guys in the next one.